Unfortunately, we know that people who do not see something will not be able to see the light also. The only thing that they experience is darkness. Sad but true. Because they are not able to see those things, they will not be able to understand the environment they are into. Come on, now I'm not trying to say that these people are will not be able to feel or experience the things that are around them. No, I'm not trying to say that. I know they do understand, they do feel. Even with our eyes closed, we can experience a lot of things, especially the emotions. Emotions are never felt with open eyes. Yeah, certain times it does, but most of the time it is not. What I'm trying to say is, human beings, when it comes to mental health, are similar. We have our mental eyes. Most of the time we really want to see something. But we are blinded by our own ego, by our own selfishness, by our own emotions which are filtering or covering those eyes. Ego never lets you see anything. The only thing that you come across is the feeling of what you are. Ego always explains you what you are. And that's the reason when you're talking to someone, you always pretend that you are superior to the person who is in front of you. You try to explain that you are better than the other person. That is because ego always wants you to become something that you are not. It's because if you see, you will be able to see the weaknesses and the strength that is covering you around and making you the person who you are. But when it comes to ego, it only explains you that you are someone or something in this world, but will blind you when it comes to analyzing and examining yourself and explaining what exactly you are. Ego blinds you and never lets you know what your faults are. And that's why it is necessary that we see, we examine, we discern. We need to come across situations where we know what we are and how we do and how we perform in this world. No doubt there will be haters around you, and those haters would definitely say that you are not good. Excluding them, there will be people who will be around you who care for you. Ask them, talk to them. Help yourself understand what kind of person you are in this world, because there is always room for improvement.